If you're building with React or Next.js, this video could save your server and your job. There's a new critical vulnerability affecting millions of projects worldwide. Keep watching to learn how to patch it and avoid a potential disaster. In December 2025, a critical remote code execution vulnerability was discovered in React server components, nicknamed React 2 Shell. What's alarming? It gives attackers the ability to run code remotely on your server, effectively compromising your entire infrastructure. Why is this important? Well, React is one of the most popular JavaScript libraries, and Next.js is widely used for server-side rendering. The flaw is in React server components, a feature designed for improved performance. Hackers can exploit this flaw to inject malicious code that can take over your server. So how does this work? When you use React server components in your app, they handle server-side rendering. Unfortunately, the vulnerability allows unauthorized access to your app's internal components. Attackers can inject their own code into your server's response, granting them full access to your data. If you're running React 19.x or Next.js 13.4+, your app could be vulnerable. This affects both production and development environments. Even CI/CD pipelines can be compromised if the vulnerability is not patched. Attackers have already exploited this flaw in several high-profile cases. If you're using a public React app or even a private server, you could be at risk. The exploitation allows attackers to execute arbitrary code and even access sensitive data like tokens or credentials.
Access granted.
The good news? A patch has already been released, and all you need to do is update your React and Next.js installations to the latest versions. It's critical you update ASAP. In the next steps, I'll walk you through exactly how to do this. To fix the React 2 Shell vulnerability, follow these steps. 1. Update React and Next.js. Run npm install React at latest, Next at latest, or yarn add React at latest 2. Check your server configuration to ensure you're using the safest deployment settings. 3. Test your app thoroughly to confirm the patch was applied and the exploit is neutralized. Now that your app is patched, let's talk about best practices to avoid similar vulnerabilities in the future. Always keep dependencies updated and use tools like Dependabot to check for vulnerabilities in your GitHub repositories. Enable security audits for your packages. Consider using web application firewalls for additional server protection. Despite this vulnerability, React server components are still one of the best ways to optimize performance for large-scale apps. But you need to stay aware of security. The future of React apps will include smarter, more secure components. Stay tuned for upcoming updates from the React team. In conclusion, React 2 Shell is a critical vulnerability that every developer must address. By updating your React and Next.js versions, you'll be protecting your app and its users. Ensure that your security practices evolve with React's growth. Don't leave your app exposed. Hit like if you've patched your project, subscribe for more React tips, and comment "patched" to let me know you're secure.